Module 12, Order Invoice. View Report. Print Report. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos from this channel. Also, subscribe and share. It will be helpful for the channel. Alright, let's open up our File Explorer. Let's go to Access Project folder. Let's copy Module 11. Copy, paste. And we are going to rename this guy to 12. Oh wow. How about order report? Order report. Let's go inside and let's open that up. As usual, enable the content. In this video, we are interested in let's see the calendar. Nope, not that one. Order. We're interested in maybe two buttons right here. One for view, one for print. I'm going to move that away a little bit here. Let's copy this guy and then paste. And then let's do it again. Paste. That's what we want. I think we should say this one view. And while we're at it, let's change that name to view. And then this guy, print. And change his name to CMD print. So yeah, that looks good right there. Now let's save that one. We don't have a query that could be used with the not that one. That could be used for the report. I was looking at this one earlier, and we've got some. But not a whole lot. Let's see. Let's look at this. So we got quite a bit here. We could put our order details in here, but then we would have repeated items. So that's not what we want. We want this column individually as a report. You see the right here. Oh, ordered number. See there? These are unique. All right, these are unique, and we don't want to put the order detail in there. So that's not a good place. All right, to do that. So let's create a new one. All right, it's going to look similar, except it's going to have items as well. So we are interested in the company. We are interested in the customer. We also interested in the order. Order total. See how they start tying together there. And then we are interested in order details. See there? That's what we are interested in. All right. So customer has many orders, and this one order can have many items. All right, and each order has its own total, and that's what we are looking at. All right, so let's work on this guy first. We want this guy because each report will have a company information. All right, so we're not interested in company ID, but these names are here and all the way down there would be good. All right, so I'm gonna highlight them and then come down here. All right, now this company name, that's good. All right, but right here I'm going to change something here, because the reason why, because I want this to stand out and unique differently than this guy. You see, we got city and state, province, zip code. So so let's give this guy an alias. How about company address? So that's how we give it an alias. That way, when we create our report, we don't get confused. All right, and the report will be easier to design. All right, similar here. Let's give it a company city. All right, and then right here, let's say company state, and let's go to resume company zip code. All right, similarly, because this guy's got telephone too. All right, so this is what you need to do when you build a query. You want to make sure that each column is unique. Company telephone, like so. Company facsimile. And slogan, that's slogan is okay. And then image file path is okay. And now let's get this guy. I guess we can just pull everybody in there. It doesn't hurt. Although we're just going to need a couple, just the address and the company name. So here's the same way. You see how the company's got company name? That would be a conflict right there. And if you do that, it's Access not gonna like that. All right. So let's call this customer company. Oops, company. If I know how to type, not that I don't type all the time. And salutation is okay. First name, last name is okay. As a matter of fact, let's do this. Let's do contact, and then we're gonna say first name space last name, and then we just grab this guy to too far, come on. Oh yeah, you know what, let me collapse this guy. I'm not interested in that. Let's go a couple places back, and right there, right behind salutation, that's good. All right, and then let's see what else. And that means we don't need this guy, first name, last name. So we can just say we can just go in there and say customer address, and then address. Take that guy out, like so. And then here we're going to do a similar situation. We'll go in there and start typing all stuff. That was address. This is going to be city, and then type in city and take the last name out. All right. And here we need a customer state, and we'll call it state province. And here customer zip code, and last, let's go in there, customer telephone, and then telephone. Oops. So I've been doing this thing, and I'm sure if you've been following me, you've seen I've been making some errors and try to correct my errors. So that's programmer. Is we should be able to correct our own error. Programmers are they make mistakes too. I do make mistakes. All right, and once you make mistakes, you should be able to you should be able to correct your mistakes, and that's good. That's what all companies want that. All right, they don't expect you to be perfect. They expect you to come up with a solution. That's what they expect you to do. And then we have total, and then right here we're going to grab all this. There. We also want to add a new line here. Call this guy subtotal, and this would be the unit price times quantity. And that's what we have. All right, and that's what we need. All right, so let's save this guy. Control S. Query. Let's call this order invoice. Good. We're done with that. And now let's create a report design. Let's go into the report design. And now we need to set this query order invoice. There. Perfect. Control S. Report order invoice. All right, we got page header, and which is good. That's what we want. We also want the report header. Actually, we? Nah, we don't. Let's Control C. Oh, it doesn't move. You do this. You just click that guy and do that. All right. So if you come over here to navigation right here, you see this guy? We're gonna grab that guy. We're gonna grab that guy, and we're gonna grab this guy. Control C, and then you can close that out now. and click on this page header like so. All right, and we can change this font color on this side right here to 00, oops, 000000. All right. What else do we need? Let's go to customer, and we're gonna grab one of these guys. Well, we can grab a whole bunch. That's fine. Yeah, let's grab this guy like so. Copy, and then close. Um, what we want here, we don't want to put it there. Let's add a group. Let's add a group. Let's see what happened here. Oh, what happened to our record source? Order. Order invoice. That's what we want. All right, Control S. Let's save that before we lose it. So here is the group. We want to group by customer ID or customer number, like so. And then we're going to move that. I'm going to move that guy up. Right here in the customer number, I want to put that guy in there. All right. And I'm having to click this guy and click out. Click away. It doesn't want me there. Click away. Oh well. Anyways, we got 1, 2, 3. That's good enough. We want this 4 guy to be on this side. Something like that. And we need to get rid of this guy. Let's move this guy just so. Like that. Shift it up a little bit. Gonna make this guy wider like so. Oh, you know what? Let's go back to query. I just noticed something here. All right, let's go back to our query. Order invoice design. Let's go to the very end. Let's go to as a matter of fact, I'm looking for customer. All right, so let's do that. We are going to say customer, city, state, and then we're going to just wrap everything in here as one. City, comma, and then we have state, province, and then zip code, like so. So that doesn't work right. The reason why it doesn't work right, see where it doesn't point out to a company or a customer. If it doesn't, it's going to bark at you. All right, so let's try that. I'm going to show you why. Okay, Control S. We're going to run that and see what it's going to do with that one. See that? Circular, because we have more than one items. So that's the reason why I want you to rename all this. So you cannot do it that way. What you could do though, you could do it like this. That, or just do this. All right, that will work too. Yeah, that will work, but this is better. This is much better. That way, say, hey, this is a table. Similarly, we'll say, oops, not there, right there. We'll say dot there. We'll say customer. That's a table. Dot customer. Control S. So it doesn't like that. Okay, we'll fix you. We'll make it until it likes it. So if it doesn't like that, like so, this will fix it. I think that will fix it. Control S. What did we miss? Did we miss something in there? We missed something. Oops. There you go. So if we run that now, that's better. You see that? That's how that works. And if you come to the end here, you can see the address of the city, state, and zip code. All right. So that's what we want. Let's go to the design. We're gonna move all that to the front. That way, it's with its cousins. Come on. Come on. There you go. We want it to go to. We want it to be next to its cousin. Here's what happens when you don't use mouse. Right, that's good. All right, Control S. Okay, close it. And now we can say, let's bring the properties back. Oops. Now you can click this guy, or you can click this guy to get a property. Double click that guy, you see there? And so here we can say, we need one more here. I thought we need one more. Okay, here we can say customer company. You see there? Now we can go up there and say customer company. And then here we'll say contact. We're not done. Let's go to the front, say like so. And then here we can say, actually we need to type in contact up here. It's a good habit. Oops. Oh, you cannot have the same name here. All right. Let's call. Anytime you format the control source, once you format the control source, you cannot name one of these columns with the same name. All right, so you have to give it a different name, and that's the reason why. So that contact name is good. And here, and that's the reason why I didn't want to I want to format in the query. Then it's easier. So this would be customer address. See there, and here we'll say customer address. And remember this one, customer city, state. Remember that. Customer, city, state. And this guy is about customer number. Order number. Order date. And we're gonna bring this guy up together here. And then we are going to make this guy the same length, widest. We are having to click in the middle to get that guy. Come on, there. Whoo, that's a work. And let's change this guy to customer number. Order number. Order date. Amount due. And here we'll say order total. That looks pretty good. Alright, now I'm going to copy 4 of these guys and bring it up in here. Select that header and move it to down a little bit, there you go, like that. One, while I'm at it, let's do this. Back style right here, transparent. Alright, we're almost done. Alright, let's go right here. We are going to say company name. Yeah, don't be lazy, type. You know what we should have done here? Same way here. Yeah, let's be considered. Let's go back to the invoice here. We're gonna format the city state for the customer, for the company. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to go inside here. Oh, this guy. It says city state. Remember, you got to type in. Like so. Company dot. Like so. And here, well, actually, yeah, state province. You have to type in company dot state province. If you don't, I should already show you why. This one, zip code. Oops. Company dot zip code. Like so. Alright, that's good. That's good. So we'll go ahead and select this guy. Company city state. So anytime you can make your query work for you, do so. You don't have to come out here and format or have so many boxes here, and they look tacky if they don't run into each other. No, that's not city state. My bad. That would be address. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, that's all right. Company. And now we do city state here. Company, city state. It's a lot of typing for sure to become a programmer. And now on this one, we're going to say company telephone. Company facsimile. And then we'll say this company contact. Good. So now let's go to the design. We're going to grab this line. We're going to try to draw it very straight. See my line going like haywire. That looks straight to me. Control S. I'm going to close that and reopen. Just because I see a bunch of lines on my screen. Somebody's got to be able to help me out with the new computer. So let's make this line a little bit bigger. Line, hairline, line width, border width. Let's see the height. Line height. Yeah. Let's make a border 1 point. That's a little darker. Now that's weird. I was laughing at it because I didn't. Yeah, if you look at the properties, it says border, but it's a line. That's weird. All right, that looks good. What do you think? What do you think? Now, let's grab one of these guys, copy. As a matter of fact, we're gonna grab a whole bunch of them too. Either side doesn't matter, but let's grab this side. Copy, paste. Having to click out. Woo. Yeah. And yeah, let's make this guy just a tad short, narrow, like so. This one narrower, right there, and then away from the wall. That one looks good right there. That one's out a little bit further. Maybe like so. And then this guy like so. That looks good. Copy that one. Put it right about yay. Maybe a little shorter, very narrow, right there. Come on, kick out. There you go. All right. And you wonder why I leave a gap there, right? Copy, paste. The reason why, because these guys should be the same width. That's going to be the dollar amount. Now I'm just going to pull this guy over to fit right in between, like so. Now let's put this guy in there. This will be a line number. This would be product ID, product number. And this would be product name. Guess what? Unit price. Or you can just type price. Price is fine. Quantity. Subtotal. Good, we're done. Almost. And then I'm gonna, oh my gosh, that thing is, wow. I'm gonna shrink this guy all the way up. Let's down here it says more. Let's add footer. And then we're gonna copy this guy. Copy. Paste. Come on. Come on. There. Ooh, that's work. There. And then I'm gonna come up here, grab this guy. Copy. I move that down. And then come click on this footer. Paste. Right here we are going to say equals sum call it grand total. Looks pretty good to me. Control S. Almost done, by the way. Let's grab this guy, copy, hit this guy, paste. That is good right there. Yeah, it doesn't matter how how long. Copy, paste, move it to the right, paste, 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 and then we'll say line. And then here we'll say product number. As a matter of fact, we'll go ahead and make that adjustment. Like so. Let's see. Yeah. And then this guy goes right there. We got one too many. Let's get rid of that last one. This one comes to right about there. You having fun yet? There. This should fit just perfect right there. And then I click this guy. I also click this guy. Right click, size widest. Similarly to this guy, widest. Alright. Now, I don't know about you. I don't like to shade this guy with its control. What I like to do is grab one of these guys. Let me see. I grab this guy and make its background. The reason being is because if you will shade that guy, but alright, the border tends to stand out, and you know, it's my preference. Yeah. And even if you take the border out, say no border, it's still some funky stuff to it. All right, so I'm gonna click on that guy and use my arrow to go up. Let's see how I cover it up. Now we don't see. Just kidding. Push it back. Look at that. How nice is that? Control S. And then now the last thing that we want to do, we don't have anything in the footer. Now the footer, you could say print it on whatever. Yeah. So yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can do this. And bottom. Page 1 off. See there? And you can push this guy to the right. Like so. And then right align. And then if you will copy that guy, paste, you can come to this side, left align, and then go to the top here. You say print it on date. Like so. I don't know about you, a bunch of lines right here. I don't like it either. So that's good right there. What do you think? All right. What do you think? So Control S, we're going to test drive this guy. Oh, last thing, you see this one? Click this footer, customer number footer. And right here, we're going to force new page. After, there you go, after section. That means once it prints the subtotal, sum, the total, the grand total. You know what? I'm gonna put that guy there. Talking about grand total. Save. Also, just to format this guy to currency, there are 2 digits, so it's okay to make them currency. Here's the same way. Well, it doesn't want us to do that. No, not sure why. It might be because we formatted in here and it's returning the string. You see, anytime you make a format, all right, it will always return the string. Oh no, the order correct. Oh, the total is already. Let me see. Yeah. Oh yeah. See, anytime you do that, it's a string, and you cannot convert a string to a currency. Yeah, that's what I thought. So Control S, right click on this little tab right here. It says print preview. We are forgetting something here. Also borders. All right, so let's go back. Let's get the image file path there, and then select, no borders. You see, solid, says highlight, transparent. All right, Control S, print view. Look at that. Look at that. And you know what? This is not cool. Don't like it. Here. Try again. Print preview. That's better. Look at that. Look at our logo. And that nice. And that nice. And you know what? And you know what? Let's do some massaging. I know there's a line here. I'm gonna grab that line and pull it right to the bottom here. There. Control S. Let's take a look. That's better. Alright, and you can make it wider. You see this shady? We don't want that. Let's fix it. Let's go fix it. Click on this header. No color. Click on this detail. No color. That's it. Alright. No color. So if you just click on those headers, those bar, all right, and just make sure there's no color. There's no color. Now I'm not satisfied with this. You see this guy? I am going to make that guy a little wider. Let's make that 8. 8 is a standard, all right, and that's how you're going to be printing with, like so. And now grab this guy, push it to the left. Come on, to the left. It doesn't want to go. Well, let's pick one at a time. Left. Huh. Oh, it went a little bit. Alright, and then now you need to pull this guy to the left. Alright, you go more than that, your report's gonna look funny. So make sure you don't have it more than 8. There you go. Now you have it. That's good. See that? That means it's larger than 8. Alright, that means it's larger than 8. You see that? So let's go fix that. I thought we had a oh well, let's make it smaller. Come on, pick it there, and let's select the top one as well. Yeah, it's this guy is funny. 7.8. 7.9. That's better. Control S. One last time, I believe. Look at that. How do you like the product management header? So we got not too shabby. Not too shabby. Let's see. We need to fix this date. It's good. This should be the same as that guy. This is all good. Good. All right. Let's fix. Grab this guy and say left alignment. Oh, wrong side. Left. And let's go to the unload. we can say me caption order invoice, me header caption order invoice. That's that. Now you wonder what this guy is, right? Some of you, most of you probably know. Watch. I'm going to comment that out. Take a look. You see this name? That's a report name. Unless you want that to look like that, that's fine by me. But we're going to fix that by doing this. We are done. All right. We are done. See that order invoice? That looks more like a order invoice. All right. So that's the amount due, order date, so and so. And you know what? Let's do this. I forgot one thing. I thought I was done. Come over here, say add sort. We're going to sort by, what's the line number? Right there. Control S. Yeah, we're really done now. I think that was completed. Oh, there you go. You see that line number? Let's make this guy big. See that line number? That's what we want. All right. See, some of them we fixed, but some of them didn't get fixed. And that's that. All right. We are done. We are done. Let's see how we are going to open this guy up. All right. Let's go to order right there. Right here, view. On click. What do we want? Obviously, we don't want to print everybody. We just want to print the selected report. You know what I'm saying? So this is how we're going to do it. Remember the reporting? Remember that one? So we're going to do this. We're going to add property for this guy. Yeah, let's do that. SQL and then value as string. And then we're going to say SQL equals value property get SQL as string, and then we'll say SQL equals SQL. Oops. That's that. Control S. So this is how we are going to view individuals. We'll say reporting SQL equals select everything from query order invoice. Now you don't have to do the capital. You can just do whatever. All right. Where order ID equals order ID. Oops, it's a text, isn't it? Yeah, right there. All right. So now we can put like so. Put a single quote in front, and then we'll say, yeah, that's good. We can do that, and then we're going to say do command open report, uh, do command open report. We want to see the report. What did we name that guy? Report order invoice, and then we just put now to view. What you want to do is you just want the AC preview. All right. Now, if you wanted to send to print, you say AC normal. Right? But we're not going to send it to print. We are going to send it to preview, view normal. That view normal is a print. This is preview. All right. So that's a print sent to the printer. All right. We want to say preview. All right. There you go. Now we need to massage the report. Now we'll say on open. This is different. You see that? On open. Open there. We'll say if reporting SQL not no, then and then me record source equals SQL. That's it. Well, obviously it's gonna be something because we said it here, but it's a practice. All right. Now, what we want to do here, display order here. Well, anyways, let's do this. I don't want to. We want to command view enable false. We also want command print enable false unless there's something in there. View enable true, me print enable true. That's what we want to do. All right. So yeah. So where did it come from? This view right here. Okay. So that looks fine to me. What do you think? All right, let's take a look. Close. Navigation. We got order right here. See how it's not displaying? Let's click this guy complete. What happened? Oh, I know why. You know why? We copy one of these guys and it's going to the right. Show you. Remember the yeah. When I get there, you know. Select both of these guys. Arrange. Check this out. See there? Top right. That's why we don't see it. We do top left. Told you. If I open it up, you say, oh, that's what it is. So let's click when it is complete. See, now it shows. Oh, order ID. I don't see order ID. Cancel. Yeah. Oh, not order ID. Order number. In that query, we don't have order ID. We have order number. Oops. Order. We have this guy, which is essentially the same. See there? How cool is that? Look at that. Look at that. Holy moly macaroni with cheese. So we got the view. Now let's work on the print. And I hope you don't think that I'm going to print, because if I do, you never see it. You never see it. So what needs to happen here? Let me show you what needs to happen. See these guys right here? We need to create a folder for report. All right. So let's do that. Yeah. Let's do that. What needs to happen here? Folder name. All right. Oh, then we got a PDF file here. So we can say invoice report. Copy that guy like so. Save. Now let's go to main navigation. Member here. We're gonna copy this guy. And then we just change the name. Invoice report. Save. Now let's go to our order right here. I'll go ahead and close that down. Let's go to order. Order, where are you? I'm not going to print, but we are going to do the PDF for you. All right. So here we can say, let's dim file path as string, and then we'll say file path equals application current project path backspace folder name backspace and order number .pdf. How cool is that? That's pretty cool. And now we can say do command output to output report there, and this is the report name, invoice, order invoice. And then what else do we need to do? We need to say what type of it is. Well, it is AC format. Oops, PDF. All right, and then we'll say file path, and then we want to say open. This means open. All right. Control S. Close. Navigation. Oh yeah, see there? That's not, yeah. Because we never we never call that guy, you see. We never call the display at the start. Oh, this is what we need to do. This is what we need to do. So I'm gonna copy that thing right here. Copy. Yeah. Now I see it. Now I see it. Right here. We wanted to put it right here. True. True. Like so. Save. Let's switch out. Let's go back. That's better. That's what we want. So let's click this guy. Hey, why didn't... what happened? Is it because I moved you away? Well, let's get you back. Let's get you back. True. True. Let's get you back. Let's try that again. Alright. Look at that. And let's check this out. Invoice report. Look at that. You see there? That's how we do it. Oh, where did invoice report go? Oh, it's right here on this guy. What happened there? What happened there? You know why there? So when you do PDF, it doesn't like it. You cannot set the labels. Oh, yeah, that's label. You have any idea how to fix that? Let's fix that. Obviously, you cannot set label like that. I think there's a way to set labels. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. I bet you it will work. Maybe. Maybe. Well, not that, like that. Yeah. I think that will work. Control S, close. Oh, we didn't even do this guy. My bad. It was there because we ran that guy. See, that SQL was there because we ran that guy earlier, and that reserves in the report. Yeah, reporting. So now we can say reporting header equals. Oops, header equals. I can't see my you're always trying to find ways to make this thing happen, because if you don't try to make things happen, your boss is not gonna like you very much. I'll go ahead and close this down because we're gonna be looking at this thing. And then I'm gonna close these properties down. I'm gonna go to the end here, and here I want to say report header, and then say get header. And you know why it doesn't? It's supposed to give us an IntelliSense. See, it does not. Yeah. So I think I know why. It's supposed to give you an IntelliSense. So let's do this. Option explicit. Control S. Let's try that again. Yeah, we don't want that. We want get header like so. Yeah, get header. Is it because of public? It should give us an IntelliSense. Oh well, let's go ahead and type it in and see what happens. Let's see what happens. All right, I'm gonna leave it. Let's go ahead and close it down. That should just done it, you know. That should just done it. And now we come to the report. Let's go to the report. We're going to try to make this happen, by the way. We're going to try to make this happen. Select this guy, my bad. Report header. And then in here, we no longer have this guy. Let's see what it looks like. You may not get anything here. There you go, report headers. See there? See there? All right, let's do more massaging. You see how I did that? Did you get that? Border. Did you get that? That looks better. What do you think? Oh, you know what? Not quite right. See that line? We can make that line right. We're going to make that line right. All right, we're going to make that line right. We're almost done, by the way. Let's select these two guys. Make deselect that, just the other one. See align center. All right. I also notice. Move these down a little bit here. I'm going to select box. There's a box here. Oops. There. And then I'm gonna, let's try that again. Come on, let's go select box again. I'm gonna grab this handle, pull this guy down. I noticed one thing. Border, where are you, border? Solid. And then there. Okay. Alright. We are done. We are done. That is what we came to do. These two buttons. We can view. And this is for order 03. We can also print 03. You see that? Alright. Let's select a different one. How about the incomplete? We can view. This one's 04. Let's see this guy. This is 05. Nice. Nice. There you have it. You can make your own order invoice and then send it to your customer. I'm just kidding. Let's get back in there. Let's get back in there. Alright, what we want to do here, I was hoping that you would catch me, but that's alright, I caught myself. Let's move this guy. I just noticed something here. I'm gonna go over here to grab the box. There. And then get away for now. This guy right here. Make sure the box is the border style is solid, alright? So that we has the similarly this guy, select that guy. Yeah, the border is solid. That way we know we see the borders, alright? But the back style transparent, alright? Because that's that would be the issues. It's not gonna do it correctly. Okay. What else do we need to do? Oh yeah. Let's select this guy right here. If you select the error like so, like that, and then from there you can just grab the whole thing like so, selecting more selection, and we're gonna come to the font size right here. Let's make that 10. All right, that's better. That looks much better. That looks much better. And now we want our company to stand out, so 12 will be good, like so, or 10 with a bold, like so. All right. Last, this guy should be center. That guy and that guy and that guy should be center. So let's go to align center. And then this guy, let's see what else. That guy, and that guy should be left. Text align left. Alright. And now the dollar amount here, that guy, and this guy should be right aligned. Like so. Alright. Okay, now let's go over here. Let's call this an item. I don't know about the product, but an item. Alright, like so. And here, same way, we just call it item. Name. Alright. And here, call that a price. Quantity. And then sub total. Just like that. Now it's going to look pretty. Like so. Alright. I think we're good. Control S. And close. So if we select one of these guys, also one more thing that I want to make adjustment here. If it's incomplete, do you really want it to be printed? That's a question. Maybe not. Unless it's complete, then you cannot view or print. So let's go to order. Yeah, I don't know. Let's go to display order. Yeah, I don't think we should allow that at all if it's not complete. All right. So I'm going to take that out. It's just my preference. Unless it's complete. If it's complete, then we allow this thing. All right. Yeah. So we can do. We're gonna leave that and make this false. Unless it's complete, we don't want it to be. We don't want it to be able to be printed. All right. I think that's better. All right. I think that's better. So let's take a look. Yeah, you don't want that's better. So now we can view. All right. So that's what we want. But that's the final. All right, that is final. I caught myself and I said, well, I gotta come back in here and make adjustment there. Looks good. PDF looks good. So that's it. In a nutshell, we have these two prints. If you select the incomplete or cancel, you won't see that. You can't print that one. You gotta complete. Two of these guys gotta be disabled. All right, like so, and then we enable this guy. So that's how this works. All right, and there you have it. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.